they're also being a lot more open. So absolutely loving the changes that are happening. A few quick things. I've looked at the analytics for the outbound calls for the standard pitch that my callers were making. I think it was something like 0.3% of their phone calls were turning into viable good prospects.
Yep.
Based off of the, hey, can I schedule a meeting for you? So 6%, 0.3% versus 6 or 10% or whatever it comes out to is like a 30, 50 fold increase.
Wow.
Over.
And all you were doing was having them now use a hook, correct? Instead of wanting to schedule an appointment.
Well, they're in their first week of doing that right now. So I'm training them on the attraction and insight.
Good.
And so I'm not sure if any of the modules covers this. So I want to ask you directly is like, right now I'm having them call, they're doing the insight. And then I'm teaching them how to ask better questions and get them to talk, mirroring why is this important, But they're not experts. They can't present or pitch or anything like that.
Yeah.
The whole thing is to get them to do the handoff to me.
Yeah.
So they're like getting into the current situation, ideal situation, but ultimately like I need to get in there and step in and they need to hand it off.
Okay.
So what I have written right now is, does it make sense for us to connect with the head of the firm who's the real expert to better understand your situation, where you would like to be, and see if there's anything we can do to get you there?
I like it, but I think we can improve on it. Do you mind if I improve on it for you?
Not at all.
Okay. Where we're missing the gap. So to bring everybody up to speed, okay, we've got a team making these calls for, where'd he go? Did he leave? Oh, there he is. We've got a team making these calls for Sam. So they're starting the conversation, and then Sam wants them to hand it off to him, right? Standard kind of relationship, they're doing appointment setting. Here's the problem with appointment setting in most cases, and this is why Sam was getting 0.3% response. It's just carpet bombing. Like, hey, would love to set this up, right? We get really excited. The more excited appointment setters get, the less appointments they set. Now he's at 6 to 10%, a 50-fold increase of them being able to start conversations because they're slowing down. They're figuring out what's going on in that client's world. And now what Sam needs is he needs a way to hand it off. Like, we got to hand off the ball. He's the running back sitting back there, and they're the quarterback. He needs to give them a skillful way to hand it off. All right? The does it make sense is good, but that's a close, right? So what we could use is, based on everything you told me, I'd like to recommend that we get you in touch with Sam, right? So based on what you told me, I'd like to recommend. And then you can still do the does it make sense. Does it make sense for me to schedule a call with him? I know he's really well versed in this, and frankly, just this morning at a meeting, he was talking about this situation. We could even juice that up a little bit with something else we've been talking about at Easton University recently. It's interesting that you bring that up. I would say that's one of the biggest reasons why people are coming over to us is whatever they were talking about, the XYZ or the ABC. It sounds like you might be an excellent candidate for what we're doing over here. And based on everything you told me, I mean, we've helped a number of companies or individuals, whatever the situation is, do exactly that, right? Get from here to there. Does it make sense to have me get you in touch with Sam? I know he's an expert on this, and he was just talking about this morning, and I believe that he could add a lot of value to you, whether you go with us or not, to solve the problem. Oh yeah, sure, I'd love to talk to him, right? When we relay back because of the fact that you said this, when we supercharge it with we're hearing that a lot lately. And because of the fact that you told me I'd like to recommend, the people are more likely to do it. By the way, for all of us else on here on Easton University that maybe don't have the luxury that Sam has of appointment setters, you can do the exact same thing I just told you without having to hand the rock off. You can just do a direct snap and run it yourself. That sounds like this. Hey, because of the fact that you told me X, Y, Z, and ABC, and it's interesting that you said that. It's almost deja vu. That's probably the number one reason why people are coming over to us. Based on everything that you're telling me, you seem like a great fit for what we're doing here with logistics. And I know we've helped a number of companies do exactly that in terms of reducing their carbon footprint and what they're sending to the landfills. Does it make sense for me to put together a proposal on reclaiming as much of that product that's going to waste right now so you guys can save that top line revenue and participate in those tax savings? Yeah, right? Versus, hey, this was a great presentation, so can I do a quote for you? No, we're too busy. We're going to pick it up Q1 of next year, right? The more you can reiterate what they said, the more you can pull in. That's a reason why other people are coming. And it's based on everything we've talked about so far, and based on everything you told me, you seem like a great fit. We've helped a number of companies, or have helped a number of individuals do exactly that. Does it make sense to blank? You can get them rocking and rolling that way. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.